Good morning. You're in early today.
Good morning. Yeah, I had an early meeting. How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks. I just relaxed. Did you do anything fun?
I went hiking on Saturday. It was really nice.
That sounds lovely. Well, I'm going to grab some coffee.
Sounds good. See you in a bit. Hi. Are you ready for the 10 o'clock meeting?
Hello. Yes, I just printed the handouts.
Great. Did you confirm the room yet?
I did. It's room 302. I'm heading there now.
Perfect. See you in there in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you. Hey, busy morning? You look stressed.
Oh, hi. Just a little. Lots of emails. You look relaxed.
I am. I finished my main task yesterday. Do you need a refill on your water?
That would be great. Thanks so much.
No problem. Hang in there.
I will. Talk soon.